This is great. I bought these for volunteer gifts, but we can't afford to give one box per gift. So I was hoping that I could make the gifts and then have them, package them as complete gifts. But it turns out that the way that they're packaged is each one of these is an ornament itself. So if you open up the book, you'll see that they have the instructions for one, and it makes a little gift. And then there are the instructions for two, and it makes a little Santa. Pretty good, huh? 4 gifts.